Showbiz update guys. So Mission Gutierrez sa update. Well actually pang part 3 na to sa ganap niya kahapon or kagabi sa pag-welcome sa kanya ng kanyang Bioten family. Newest ambassador ng Bioten Philippines. So congratulations Janine Gutierrez. So super duper thankful siya. So ayun yung pinost niya sa kanyang Instagram. Hydrated and happy with nakatag yung Bioten Philippines Hydro Excel now available. Thank you to my Bioten family for the warm welcome. We'll share more tomorrow, but for now make sure to check out the Bioten Philippines pages on your favorite shopping apps or Watson's page to get unparalleled hydration for your skin. Sorry, medyo bulol. So, hashtag dive into moisture with Bioten. So, ito pa, ibang videos and pictures sa ganap niya kahapon na welcome siya ng Team Bioten family. So, ayun siya. Then, ito pa yung pinost ni ate sa kanyang Facebook account. So, ayun siya. Photo dump at yesterday's Bioten Hydro Excel launch with Mission Gutierrez. Janine has officially joined forces with Bioten and IFIS family as their newest brand ambassador, marking a fantastic partnership. Bulul Kagar facilitated by Yan Bisem de nakatag. For endorsement management, thank you also Sir Leo and Koyari for trusting us to represent Janine for this project. Our bosses at IFIS are all happy, showering Janine with love for her role as the face and spokesperson for Bioten and Bioten Hydro Excel. Janine's genuine belief in the product shines through, making her grateful to be part of this incredible collaboration. Get ready to see more of Janine radiating beauty and endorsing the goodness of Bioten. Congratulations, hashtag Janine Gutierrez, hashtag Bioten Ambassador, hashtag BCM Celebrity Source, hashtag Bioten, hashtag Hydro Excel, hashtag Endorsement Management. So ayan, gusto ko lang i-congratulate ulit si Mission Gutierrez sa kanyang bagong endorsement. So ayan, welcoming, pinelcome siya ng Bioten family. So ayan lang guys, hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ingat kayong lahat, love lots. Konting Mission G update lang po. Actually part 3 na to sa ganap niya kahapon guys. So ayan lang.